Get ready for this gym session. 101 degrees out here. Let's get it. All right, so obviously the exercise over here we're banging out is the dip. And this machine has like adjustments. Sometimes you can get it narrow, and then once you flip the little handlebars, you can make it wider. I prefer to go narrow on the dips. It kind of just allows me to get a little bit deeper without straining the shoulders too much. You get a good, nice stretch in the upper part of the chest. Get that activated with this movement. The rep range that you want to be in with this exercise is going to be about 10 to 12 repetitions. And once again, we're going to do that for 4 sets. If you can do more than 12 repetitions on this exercise, I would say you're pretty elite. Alright, so this exercise looks a little crazy. I know you're probably like, oh my god, that's not full range of motion, blah, 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 this, that, and the third. That's not what we're trying to effectively do here. You want to get a heavy weight, and you do want to get somewhat of a swing going on this movement. That heavy weight with the swing, and we're only doing quarter reps. We're going to go for 25 repetitions using the heavier weight. At the end, you did see I picked up like a lighter weight, and I did go full range. You don't necessarily have to do that. I just felt like I wanted to do that to kind of, I guess, superset the exercise. Once again, you don't necessarily have to do this. Alright, so for the last exercise that I'm showing here, we went for the upright wide grip row. Now you may have seen some people do it with the easy bar or with a straight bar. However, I chose to do it with the dumbbells because it just allows a little bit more freedom of movement. If you're working with an easy bar or a straight bar, you're kind of like impinged in that locked in position. So when you're rowing, you're kind of like right here, right? With the dumbbells, you just have a little more freedom of movement, and it just feels a little more comfortable as you're rowing. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to my videos. I'm gonna keep putting out content like this, making sure that you guys enjoy these videos and provide valuable information to you guys. All right, then lastly, probably the most important part of your workout routine is gonna be your cardio. I mean, if you've been watching some of the other videos and some of my past vlogs, I mix it up with the cardio. Sometimes I'm outdoors, sometimes I'm indoors. I'm kind of mixing it up. Now in the bike, I'm going to do 15 minutes, 20-second sprints, and then we're going to go 40 seconds off. Alright, workout is done. We're gonna head back now. Glad I got back from the
Jersey, I did some food shopping because I didn't have any food over here, so I wanted to be prepared for the week. So when we get back, we'll get into that.
All right, let's get right to it. So here we're gonna have our post-workout meal. All right, so in the toaster we currently have Thomas's English muffins. That pizza is not mine, by the way. Thomas's English muffins. These are limited edition. These are absolutely delicious. Maple French toast English muffins. They're amazing. $60 grams fresh form vanilla protein. Click the link down below if you want to grab some. Alright, and so all of this will be paired with 75 grams of cereal. So I preferably choose Cheerios or Chex, any flavor. Doesn't matter too much, they're all going to have about the same macros. Then you just add the protein over the cereal. I add a little bit of fiber to my cereal as well to get my daily intake, so there you have the fiber over the cereal. And there you have it, that's my post-workout meal. Alright, welcome back. So we fast forwarded a couple of days. I just got done with some food shopping over at Walmart, so we're gonna go through that now. Alright, we're gonna run through this real quick. So first up, we got our low-fat Eggo waffles. These are for pre-workout, so this is gonna be part of our pre-workout meal. Boneless chicken breast. 99% fat-free ground turkey. 93% fat-free ground beef. This is for our protein. Once again, this is going to be kind of like our snack in between. So a salad with the ground beef. Gotta get the egg whites, the liquid egg whites. That's going to be for your breakfast. Post-workout cereal. So I chose the Cheerios. We've got like a ton of seltzer water. So this is pretty good. It kind of like cures that craving for something like a soda. Not that I crave soda a lot, but sometimes you kind of want like something a little bit more sweet than just like regular plain old water. So seltzer water works out pretty good. We've got Holy Guacamole for our non-training days. This is like a generic Walmart brand, but this is basically just that Holy Guacamole mini cups. And I got all my good veggies. So I got my spinach. Then I got my frozen veggies for my dinners or my lunches. Kind of warm these up, measure it out. It's good. It's good stuff. It's fast. And that's gonna be it as far as the grocery haul. All right, so it's Sunday. I'm gonna get ready for the week. Start prepping up. Gonna cook up some of these meals that I just got. So basically, just want to do a little bit of talking before we wrap up the video. Basically, I'm counting all these macros, and I'm doing this very meticulously because I'm preparing for a show for physiques competition come October. However, if you're just looking for a healthier lifestyle, want to eat cleaner, get a little bit leaner without worrying too much about the exact proportions of the foods, then you can still eat the same foods but not track it as closely. By the way, this is a Montreal shirt. I don't know if you've been noticing it at all, but Pedro Martinez. I gotta rep the Dominican players. I love my Dominican heritage. I actually collect all the Dominican player t-shirts. So basketball players, baseball players, I collect all their t-shirts. Maybe in one of the next episodes I'll show you that in my closet. So I got a lot of cool things coming up. I'll be moving to the new apartment first, second week of September. I'm getting ready for a physiques competition, as I just mentioned. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. I really appreciate everyone watching. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next week.